While I'm editing my stuff, we're watching something from this guy. I have no idea who this guy is. I think he's a wise guy. It isn't always about maybe using like one camera. Sometimes you're using multiple cameras. And maybe some of you guys might think this is crazy, but to create this content, this is what I came up with. Got a GoPro on a stick right there attached to my plow frame. This one back here, that is on 1080 at 120. We got one more. And we've got another camera right there looking at my mug. So yeah, if you want to see what this created, check it out. Hit this one. I'll hit this one. Come up front and we'll hit this one. So now they're all recording at whatever frame rates that they're recording, plus this. So that's what, 4 cameras? All right. So today on RC Guy Garage, it's messed up. I'm gonna get off of this camera. So today on RC Guy Garage, we're doing a combination of a cold start with Big Black, which is kind of a cold start, but not. Still have to unplug my wire, but I'm gonna just throw the key in the ignition. You're gonna hear what Big Black sounds like starting first thing in the morning on a 20 plus degree day or 30 or something. And granted, like I said, it is plugged in, so here we go. So maybe you might be asking yourself, why are you even watching this video? Or why am I even wasting my time to do this? Well, we got snow coming, and what I wanted to do was at least like fix my jump because, well, we don't have snow coming, we have rain coming. So we had snow, could correct that. See, all this stuff is stuff that I would edit out. So we had some snow. We're gonna have some rain today. It's supposed to be like in the 40s. So what I wanna do is I wanna scoop up some snow. Figured I'd just show you how I maneuver Big Black, like doing some snow pushing and kind of like make my jump maybe a little bit bigger and maybe more survivable by the rain that we've got coming. So yeah, that's it. So let's just get going here. And I haven't given my truck time to even warm up either, so that isn't the greatest. I can see my camera in the corner there. Now, it's not going to be a lot of snow that I'm grabbing, but I am going to grab some of this. Looks like I grabbed one little piece of grass. That's all right. As I thought it was going to be. But maybe that's just showing you all the different camera angles that people go through just to create like content. Now I could go really crazy and grab more snow, but I'm going to leave it just like that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to scrape the road. Camera that I was going to do, and that was going to be an outside camera, but guess what? I forgot. Definitely wasn't as epic as I was planning on it to be. For some reason I thought it was going to be a little bit more, but there you go. It. So anyways, if you like content like this from Mercy Guy Garage, you already know what to do. Just get out there and point blank always rip it. Just get to doing it. You know what I think I might do? Just a little one-wheel burnout right now while I've got that camera in the background. I'm on two-wheel drive, plow is down. Can give a little bit of a burnout. Little bit of a plow drag. That's it. I'm out. You should get out too. Like I always say, just get out there and rip it. I don't think I have any pockets. Collecting camera time. That's all it is. Just like sometimes you have to have multiple cameras, and I've shown people before that you can do this with like minimal cameras. See? Now it's just getting rid of this camera. Off. Yeah, before I forget, I do have to plug my truck back in. Come on, get off of there. Come on. I don't think I can do this one-handed. Then again, maybe I can. No way. Look at that. Skills. What do they say? When you got the skills to pay the bills. Not really.